Hello everyone, welcome to this video and welcome to the 12th day of 12 days of cleaning before Christmas, where I've been going around deep cleaning one area or organizing one area of my house each day for 12 days straight and uploading it for motivation for you guys. I am so excited that I made it through all 12 days. That's almost 2 weeks. There's so much motivation in this series. If this is the first video that you're watching in this series, make sure you go back and watch all 12 of them. There's so much cleaning motivation all around the house. And if you like this video, make sure, if you haven't already, to consider subscribing and putting a thumbs up on this video. That helps my channel out a lot, and it just helps me to know if you guys like these videos. And like my channel intro says, I am doing mom life and cleaning motivation. So I have one more cleaning motivation video coming out before the end of the year. And after that, I will be preparing for baby because I am only a few weeks away. So there will be more of the mom life type videos, but make sure that if you enjoy these cleaning videos to keep your notification bells on. You're not going to hurt my feelings if you don't like the mom life type ones, if that's just not your style of video. If you were more into cleaning motivation, just keep your notification bells on, and there will be more of those later on, and some mixed in with the mom life as well in the new year. I'm so excited about the new year coming and having this baby. But in the meantime, I am just deep cleaning my bedroom. In yesterday's video, I took apart all of my cleaners that you see here, and I cleaned them out as thoroughly as possible. I realized I forgot the brush on my shampooer, but I wasn't going to worry about it at this moment right before I went to shampoo my bedroom, but I had cleaned my vacuum and my shampooer tank and everything, and I had it all ready to go. And so now I'm just going to be deep cleaning my bedroom. My husband helped me flip up the mattress and the box spring so I could get under my bed. And I'm going to be deep cleaning everything that I can in here except the ceiling fan. I feel like I just recently did that, so I'm going to skip that and clean everything else in this room.
Now I'm not playing hard to get. Baby, reaching out to touch your heart, hope for a maybe. I get a one-way ticket down the memory lane. There are two hearts beating, just nothing will ever be the same. We had a chance, babe, to work it all out, but we blew it on our foolish pride. And now I wanna scream and shout, I love that I love you. Wanna shout,
I know so far that this video has been just a little bit chatty, and if you guys don't like that, I do apologize, but I feel like I should explain just a little bit of stuff to you guys just because you've been here and you've been so awesome. So thank you everyone who has been watching along with this series, who has subscribed. I'm so excited about just the growth on this channel and hearing from new people and everything, all the encouragement that you guys give me. I hope that I give back to you with cleaning motivation and mom life motivation, if that's also what you are on this channel for. I will say that some of these scuff marks did not come out. They were from when we had the bed turned the other way, and I almost turned the bed the other way in this video, but I just decided not to. I wasn't really sure how moving in the baby stuff was going to go and how it was going to translate whenever we got a few things in here. So I'm going to wait and do that later on. So if you guys like rearranging and transformation videos, there's probably going to be one coming your way in the new year. For the shampooing of this carpet, I like to run over an area one time holding down the nozzle and then go back over it, sucking up all the water after it's had just a minute to soak. And all that I use in this is just some Oxiclean carpet shampooer concentrate, and I will link that down below. And then I was saving my last 2 tablespoons of fabric softener, the really good smell good stuff. I'll link it down below too. It's ginger mango method. It smells amazing, and I was saving it to put it into this carpet shampooer to make my room smell really good, and it did. It worked really good with the Oxiclean, and it makes everything smell amazing. I would definitely recommend putting fabric softener into your shampooer if you have one and you use it, and if you've never done that before, it just brings the whole clean up to another level.
Fighting for a season with sadness fall apart. Tell me not to worry. Tell me to be strong. Be my true reminder of where my love belongs. We'll be cutting edge, make a brand new sketch. Fire in the heart, flipping hearts around. We'll be changing all that's wrong. And baby, hold on, bring it on. We'll be running the show, bring it on.
In my room, instead of pulling everything out and letting my kids get into it in another room, I just kind of rearrange and do the floor here and there as I can. And so that's what I'm doing here. Is just whenever I get things moved out of the way, I'm going to be vacuuming and shampooing, and I try not to overlap the vacuum where I've already shampooed, of course, because I don't want any moisture in my vacuum that's unnecessary, but I do try and do it in small sections so that none of that happens. I think it works really well, and like I said, I just go one direction with the trigger down and then the other direction sucking it all up, and I use really hot water so it dries really fast. I also have my ceiling fan on in my room, or at least I did by the end of it. I'm not sure if I did at this moment or not.
We'll be changing all that's wrong. And baby, hold on, bring it on. We'll be running the show, bring it on. Take it all as we go, bring it on.
I ended up going through 2 tanks of cleaner solution, and they both looked just this rough. Under my bed, it's just open and it gets dusty, and I think that's where a lot of this came from, as well as the main traffic sources. I did make sure to go ahead and do the main traffic areas in the center of my room more than once. I didn't show it because obviously there's already a lot of shampooing and cleaning going on, but I did make sure just to go over those multiple times so that they got as clean as possible. And before I can finish the rest of the floors, I'm going to go ahead and clear off the surfaces and dust them, because I don't want to be shampooing and vacuuming right under somewhere that still needs to be dusted.
We'll be running the show, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. We'll be running the show, bring it on, take it on.
I am so happy to say that we have grown to 500 during this 12 days of cleaning series, and I want to thank each and all 501 or 2 of you. It means so much to me that so many of you would like this channel enough to subscribe and to be there and stick around and take time from your day to watch these videos. And I just really hope that I'm giving you motivation and inspiration and just being relatable to you guys. If mom life or cleaning life, whichever one is what you are here for, I am so grateful for every one of you guys, and I will be doing a giveaway soon, so that's another reason to keep your notification bells on, and I will let you know when that's gonna come out.
The other day, she looked glad to see me again. Do you remember when I used to come over to your house every day? Still remember the smell of your car when you drove me down to that lake. Felt so good staying up all night, that will forever be our place. And I know it's been a long time since we were together. There's a special place in my heart that's yours forever.
You guys can already tell, but I'm just gonna say it again. My house is not perfect, and I like things to be functional and usable rather than looking perfectly beautiful. And so I will be keeping some of these things out on my nightstands and stuff that we use on a daily basis. I'm not gonna hide them away just for a video because we do not hide every little thing in our house. Sometimes it looks like clutter, but I assure you all the things that I leave out, I use on a regular basis, and my house is the way it is, and we really do love it.
Sweet home, if I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, I'd fly. I'd fly. If I could fly, I'd fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home, sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, I'd
I let the carpets dry just a little bit before putting everything back. It felt so good to have all of them cleaned, vacuumed, and shampooed. And when I took those trash cans out before, I had soaked them in some vinegar and Dawn. They weren't like too stinky or whatever. They weren't even too dirty. I just like to clean them out here and there. When I do a deep clean, you might as well get everything cleaned as possible. So I'm just going to be rinsing and wiping them out from that Dawn and vinegar solution and then putting bags back in them from the Dollar Tree. Sometimes I use Walmart bags and sometimes I use Dollar Tree bags. This roll of bags from the Dollar Tree is like vanilla scented, and it's got a whole bunch of bags, I think 40 or 50 in there, and it's really easy just to tie around the Dollar Tree trash cans, and that's what these are. It does not fall down when you tie them, when you put things in them, and so I really like this combo whenever I'm just feeling a little bit more like being schmancy or whatever. I think they smell really good, so when I want my room to smell really good, I make sure to do everything in my power to make that happen, including scented trash bags. And another thing that I like to do is use a little bit of fabric softener in some water in an old spray bottle and spray down my bed or my sheets or anything if they're not just smelling amazing. I did wash the comforter and the sheets and everything in the beginning of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Like I said, there's only going to be one more cleaning motivation video, and then we'll move on to more mom life, but keep your notification bells on if the cleaning is what you like. There will be more of that in the future, and I will see you there. Until then, I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.
But the difference this time is that